Good evening. Welcome to News 24 KARBI ANGLONG. I am Beauty Rongpipi. The newly constructed PMGSC road under West KARBI ANGLONG of Kheroni PWD subdivisions in between Prilo and Sildubi has been found to be worst condition. In the district of West KARBI ANGLONG Kheroni PWD subdivisions area in between Prilo and Sildubi, the newly constructed PMGSC road getting worse conditions since the work has not been completely over, and also it was seen that the black topping of the layer of the road can be removed easily on the process, and so many people of the localities gather and show against and complain on the work of the contractors, in adding that they have to do their constructing work where they had started and in efficient conditions, and in case if they are not agree with all the norms they had demand for, then they will not let all the essential machines to take along with them and should not allow to continue the works as said by the people of the place before our media.